Hello guys, today we're going to play Build a Boat. So yeah, it's been a long time I haven't played this game, so I kind of forgot how to play, but so you have to click on the, alright. Oh frick. I didn't mean that. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to make I'm gonna try to make a jet ski. I don't know. Alright, I have an idea. And then after that I'm just gonna add a lot of blocks. So no more. So I have one engine right now. I'm just chair. Oh frick. I'm just gonna add an engine right here. So I'm gonna add the engine right there. And then I'm just gonna put a random table for no reason. Alright. Alright, so launch. Yeah. It's been a very long time I haven't played this game, so I don't really know the controls. Right. Oh, frick. Oh my gosh. Bruh! No! Bruh! I just died from my boat and just going everywhere. Bro, now I have to build it all over again. I'm kind of sick right now. I don't know why. You know what? I'm just gonna I kind of just... Yeah, I might do that. I have too much. I'm gonna put it on the top and then... Yeah. I'm gonna put a chair right here for no reason because I barely have any blocks. But let me put it on the bottom. So. And then just a chair here for me to sit at. Yeah. I'm just gonna put it there because I'm too lazy. Alright, let's launch this thing. Yes. I just built a... Oh frick. Bruh. Alright. Yo. Alright. Oh, okay. I'm doing good. Isn't there a... I was pretty sure there was a... Oh, never mind. Oh! I feel like I kind of got the controls now, but I feel like each level is going to get harder, isn't it? I don't know, because... Ooh. Oh, no! No! Oh, my gosh! No! Okay, it's... Oh, no, I'm gonna die! Oh. Okay. Well, at least I made somewhere. Oh, I got treasure. I'm pretty sure it's a treasure. Okay, I'm gonna go on the menu. Which one did I get? Okay. I have 42, so... For now, I barely have any blocks, so I'm gonna buy the... Actually, no, I'm just gonna save, because I only have So, yeah. I'm just gonna... Wait, I have a challenge to make for me. How about I just make one block? Yeah, I'm just gonna make one block. And then after that, I'm gonna put one of these. I think it's called a engine. Bro, I don't know why. Oh wait, and I add that engine. Yeah. Okay, let's launch. Oh, so this is kind of like what the jet ski does, I guess. Let's see where I make. It's kind of harder to control right now. Alright. Oh. I wonder what's at the end. I don't really know what's. I'm pretty sure there was the octopus one. I'm pretty sure when I was a kid, I made it all the way to the octopus one, I'm pretty sure. I think that was the highest one. I don't know if it was octopus or not, but oh. But yeah, it was either like an octopus or like some sea animal. I don't know. Oh, frick. No. Bruh. Alright, yeah. Pretty damn good price for the rare one. Let's see what's inside, bruh. Alright, that's pretty decent. Hey, at least we got something. That's good, okay. At least we got something, like... Oh, wait, I can buy uncommon. Let's see what's inside. Oh, we got glass. Glass? I think that's glass. Wait. I don't know if that's glass or not. Oh, I can buy common? Bruh. Alright. Let's go to the building. Oh, I should... Wait, is that a door or like a... Can I go up? Yeah, okay. I'm gonna build something like more inside, so keep me a little bit more secure. For the floor, I'm gonna put this because, I don't know, just because it's like floor. I think it's pretty good for a floor. Yeah. Alright. After this, we're gonna put, for the walls, I don't want to make a... So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna delete this block right here, and then... Oh wait, let me delete this block too, so... Here, I have an idea. So I'll put this block here. Alright, yeah. That one, and then I'll put this one here. Bro. And then after that, I'm gonna put... Oh, I already put that. Just... We're not wasting things here, guys, so... Oh, we got some sand. Oh, frick. No. Okay. Now it's easy. Alright, I can only... Alright, I'm just... Oh. Okay, I'm gonna use some other blocks. Yeah. And then delete that block. I wonder if, like, all the blocks are the same. Like the how it can hold and stuff. Like, if it's gonna hold. I don't know if it's gonna hold or not. Wait, what is this? It's like some type of... What is that? I won't use it, but like maybe probably later. I got some glass. Oh, I should put the glass in the front, but nah. Wait. I got 2 treasure. I'm gonna put this here. Oh, wait, what? Oh, wait, what? Oh. I thought it was. Alright. Okay. Oh, yeah, we have wood. I don't know why I forgot the wood. Oh, no, sorry. Sorry, Nacho. Not touch, I don't know, whatever. But. Oh. I'm gonna build. But I don't know, I think we might run out. I'm too lazy to count, so sorry, guys. We have 2 left. Oh, frick. Oh, no, we have that one door. What the heck? Huh? Wait. Oh, there. Alright, fix that. Oh, wait, let me add the chair. Brother. Wait, there's a window right there. It's okay, cause I'm gonna put the story right on the top. Oh, it fits. That's really good. But I'm really dumb. Oh, sorry. But I'm really dumb. Alright. I think we can launch now after I put this on top. Alright. There. Finally! Yay. Bruh. Oh, no. I forgot the engine. No. I worked so hard for this. Stop. No, bro. No. Bro, I can't control anything. Nah, bro, I can't control anything. No, stop. Alright, let's see if we're gonna die or not. Cause I'm so stupid, bro. I forgot the engine. Oh, wait. I am so stupid. You know what? I'm still stupid. I mean, okay, we got. All right, we got 5. Good, bruh. That's not. Wait, let me look at the menu real quick. Let me look in the menu. So there's paint, teams. Oh, yeah. Alright, I'm just gonna try to like speed build because I'm getting really lazy. 4. I'm just gonna do the same idea. Yeah, a lot of these on the floor. These nuts. Sorry. Alright. Okay. Y'all should do one more then. Yes. Oh! I am so stupid. Bro, what? Bro, dude. I'm gonna do that. Yeah, that's easier. Since there's only one of this, I feel like this should be a combo. Wait, what is it out? Put that there. Oh wait, that there. Oh wait, but also, what the? Bro, what? I'm gonna add the engine before I forget, so put it on top so it's easier to ride. Problem, not my problem. That shit, not my problem. I'm sorry, guys. I love that song, bro. Problem, not my problem. That shit's not my problem. Get number 2, get number 1. Sorry, guys. Wait, what is that? What does this do? Okay, whatever. I don't know what that is. Okay. Oh yeah, we also have sand. Problem, not my problem. That's just not my problem. Oh wait, let me put the... Yeah. Okay. So we got the window here. So our little driver can see. Well, for me to see, but... Alright. Alright. Guys, it is... Wait, what? Here, let me... Alright, okay, let me... I don't care. Let's just do this. So we got some natural gas. What's that? I don't know what that is. Frick. Oh yeah, have you guys heard that show called The Middle with Brick inside of it and Sue Heck, the Heck family, and okay, whatever. Okay, let me get in and then I'll put the top on. Okay, see if it works, because last time it was a total fail. Okay. Let's launch. Okay, so what? Okay, see if it works, cause last time it was a freaking total fail. By the way, this is what the heck? Oh no! Where did our engine go? What the heck? No! No, you did not. No. Oh. Wait, did the engine fail? Sorry. Okay, I'm trying to jump over there then. Yeah. We're gonna get separated. What the freak? 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 This is me alone core. Why is this just so random about me alone? Oh yeah, by the way, while I'm filming this YouTube video, I'm talking to myself, guys. Well, I'm talking to you guys, but basically I'm talking to myself. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, but like what? Oh, I thought that was a boat. I thought the fish was a boat. Okay, but no. Get on your damn chair. Sorry. Wait, did the engine fall off? Frick, the engine fell off. Where'd the engine go? No, our engine fell off. Well, I'm surviving. No, what the heck? Oh, frick. Frick. Okay, but let's see how much money we get and then claim this money. That's it. That is no. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna save my money, but okay. So that was fun, you guys. Bye. See you guys next time.